Vacuum brazing is particularly advantageous due to its ability to join ceramics and metals at high temperatures in a vacuum environment, which minimizes oxidation and other unwanted reactions. Ceramic-to-metal sealing process often involves the use of a brazing filler metal, which can be tailored to the specific materials being joined. Join aluminium oxide ceramics to stainless steel with hermetic, high-temp-resistant joints. Braze parts hit 130 MPa shear strength. As research in this field progresses, vacuum brazing continues to evolve, offering ever-improving joint strength and versatility.